guys, welcome back to another episode from Living Water Aquatics and Sustainable Living. In today's video I'm showing off the garage pond, and I just fed these guys some duckweed, and you can see that green stuff floating all over the water there. That right there is duckweed, but the fish really love it. We've got the koi, tilapia, and goldfish in here, and they get this treat once a week. And if you've seen in my other videos, we're growing that upstairs in our grow room in a separate aquarium, and this stuff grows really quickly. It basically multiplies every few days, and it's just a renewable source of food. Once you have a little bit started, just keep on growing it, and it will replace itself every few days. So it's a really sustainable way of feeding your fish. Yes, I know the water's cloudy, but we've got a couple new filters on the way. In previous videos I talked about putting on a spa heater and a swimming pool filter, sand filter. Well, we've decided that that's not the best way to go. We're going to go a different route, so we'll be updating that information soon and having videos as we install the new filters and heater. But anyway, I just wanted to show this off a little bit, show you how much our fish like the duckweed. And that's about it for this video. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Leave a thumbs up. It helps our channel out and gets it out there to more people. This is something we like to do. We like to become full-time and invest a lot of time and energy into these videos. And by getting thumbs up and subscribers, it helps us with the YouTube algorithms, and as we see people are interested, it lets us know what you like, what you don't like, and that way we could create content according to what you guys like. And we will be investing in more equipment here pretty soon. Once I get this water cleared up, we're going to be doing a live stream, 24-hour live cam on this tank, so that it can be accessed anytime. We'll have some nice music playing in the background, and that way you could always see the koi and the tilapia and all the goldfish together. But that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching, you guys. We love you so much. We really enjoy making this content for you guys, and we enjoy seeing when y'all like the videos with your thumbs up, and we welcome all comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.